Tonight in battleground Georgia, former President Donald Trump zeroing in on the top issue for voters, the economy, promising that if he wins, the U.S. will scoop up manufacturing jobs from other countries.
We're going to take their factories. American workers will no longer be worried about losing your jobs to foreign nations. American workers will no longer be worried about losing your jobs to foreign nations.
I look at what you do. You walk in and you just say, you want to quit? They go on strike. I won't mention the name of the company, but they go on strike and you say, that's okay, you're all gone. You're all gone. So every one of you is gone and you are the greatest. You would be very good.
Much has been made about Donald Trump's glitchy interview with Elon Musk on X yesterday, but unsurprisingly, there has been little coverage of the clip you just watched, in which Trump praised Elon Musk for being notoriously anti-union. And Musk, of course, has a deep anti-union past, and we have some of those examples for you. For instance, he's been found guilty for illegally threatening workers' stock options if they choose to unionize. Tesla has been found guilty for illegally firing an employee involved in union organizing. And many other Tesla employees have described the threats and retaliations they faced for trying to organize.